Hi everyone, I'm going to discuss what is abstract modeling approaches. Abstract modeling approaches, ibig sabihin nito ay yung mga paraan ng pag-create ng models like sa system, data, or processes na hindi nakapokus sa details agad kundi mas general o conceptual muna. Ginagamit ito para ma-visualize or ma-plan ang isang system bago pumasok sa specifics. Example, sa project natin, kailangan muna natin gumamit ng abstract modeling approach para makita natin yung overall structure ng system bago tayo mag-code. What is a finite state machine or FSM? A finite state machine is a conceptual model used to describe the behavior of a system that can be in one state at one time, and it changes from one state to another in response to certain inputs or events. Why is FSM a conceptual model? FSM is considered a conceptual model because it describes how a system behaves logically without going into full code or technical detail. It helps you to visualize the flow of a system. It's useful in planning or designing system before implementation. Finite state machine, high-level representation. A high-level representation of finite state machine is a simplified abstract view that shows the key states, transitions, and events of the system without getting into technical or code level detail. Why use a high-level FSM? To visualize system behavior clearly and simplify. To plan logic flow before implementation. To commute design with team members non-programmers can understand. To identify edge cases and simplify debugging. In summary, a high-level FSM representation gives you a bird-eye view of how a system behaves by modeling its state and transition. It's abstract but powerful for planning logic-driven system. FSM live-out. Finite state machines show how a system changes between different states based on inputs or events. However, they leave out important details like handling of internal data or variables, simultaneous or parallel activities, timing and delay unless explicitly modeled, complex error processing, user interface or visual design. In short, FSM focus on state changes and basic behavior but don't cover the full complexity of a real-world system. Flexibility means what implementation flexibility means designing a system so it can be built or changed in different ways without affecting its overall behavior or purpose. It allows developer to choose or modify how something is done by behind the scene while keeping the system core function intact. This makes the system adaptable and easier to improve or customize over time. Conclusion: FSM are effective conceptual models because they clearly represent how a system moves between different states based on inputs or events. They simplify analysis and troubleshooting by providing a clear structure way to understand system behavior and identify issues. FSM enable a flexible cost-effective system design by allowing design to plan and modify system logic easily, helping reduce developing time and expenses. Thank you. That's for today's discussion. Bye.